Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 69 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Quick review first. 觉得 feel, think. 复制 copy. 粘贴 paste. 下载 download. 厕所 toilet. 长期 long term. 检查 inspect, check. 喝茶 have some tea. 点菜 order dishes. 餐厅 dining room. 庆祝 celebrate. 儿童 children. 春节 Chinese New Year. 意见 opinion. 健康 health. Now follow me to learn 网购淘宝京东 in Chinese. 网购网购 means online shopping. 网 network. 购网购 shop. Online shopping has become a part of our everyday life. 网购已经成为我们生活的一部分。网购Next one, 淘宝淘宝淘宝淘宝淘宝Next one, 京东京北京京东 East 京口小东Taobao and Jingdong are both online consumer sales companies in China, just like Amazon and eBay in Western countries. 网购网购网购 online shopping. 淘宝淘宝淘宝京东京东京东 Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.